Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use iPad's accessibility features. Complete walkthrough. First, open the iPad settings, then tap accessibility. Tapping the accessibility button will open up a screen listing out all of the options for increasing the iPad's functionality. The iPad accessibility settings provide vision assistance, hearing assistance, learning-based guidance access, and the physical and motor assistance settings. These settings can help those who might otherwise have problems operating a tablet enjoy the pad. Under vision settings, the vision accessibility settings can increase the size of text on the screen or read it to you. If you have trouble reading text on the screen, you can increase the default font size by tapping the larger text button in the second set of vision settings. This font size can help the iPad become more easily readable. Text-to-speech. If you would like to activate this text-to-speech, tap the speech option and run on speak selection. This is the settings for those who can clearly see the iPad but have difficulty reading text on it. Speak selections allows you to highlight text on the screen by tapping a finger and then speaking the text by choosing the speak button, which is the far right button when you highlight text on the screen. You can also tap typing feedback to turn on speak words, which speaks the words you are typing, or speak auto text, which lets you know when autocorrect fixes your spelling. If you have difficulty seeing the iPad, you can turn on zoom mode. Tapping the zoom button will turn on the option to put the iPad into zoom mode, which magnifies the screen to help you see it. VoiceOver. The text-to-speech option is great for reading backwards, but if you have trouble seeing buttons or other screen items, the VoiceOver option changes the behavior of the iPad in order to make it more accessible. In this mode, the iPad will speak what you tap, allowing the user to navigate via touch rather than sight. Invert colors and change contrast. You can invert colors by tapping Display Accommodations. These settings also include settings for color filters for those who are colorblind. The main accessibility settings also have an option to increase contrast, which you can use to reduce transparency or darken colors. Hearing settings. The iPad supports hearing devices made with the MFI standard, which stands for Made for iOS. These devices connect through Bluetooth. You can also turn on mono audio and adjust the audio balance to the left or right. Hearing accessibility for video playback is the media section under subtitles and captioning. You can turn on closed captions and SDH in the subtitles and captioning section. You can also modify the style of the options from a transparent background to larger text. You can even create your own style. The guided access setting is great for those with learning challenges, including autism, attention, and sensory challenges. The guided access settings makes the iPad stay within apps by disabling the home button, which you normally use to exit out of an app. Essentially, it locks the iPad in place with a single app. You can also use the iPad's guided access feature with toddlers apps to provide entertainment to infants and toddlers. True iPad use should be limited for toddlers under the age of 2. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.